What an interesting comic book.
Susie, look at what I've got.
What exactly is this, Sammy? Is it a lottery ticket?
Yes, Sue. I want to win a house where I can store all my stationery.
Aren't we crafters? We can make this kind of house ourselves. Come on.
And can we? Coming.
Hi, guys. Today we're going to make a little house for our Sam.
Sue, I don't know which house to choose. Maybe this one is kind of colorful. Or maybe another one? I'm confused.
What about the Baroque house?
Baroque? Is it some kind of ice cream? Won't it be cold in that kind of house?
Oh, Sammy, don't you know? Then we better study the history of architecture from the very beginning. The first houses appeared before the Common Era. Primitive people built them. They used natural landscapes like caves, for example, and other kinds of shelters.
Sue, how did they do without shops and candies? And weren't they cold?
They used to collect plants and hunt wild animals. People used their fur as clothes that warmed them. They also learned to make fire. It helped them to not only stay warm, but also to cook food. Sam, what are you doing?
I'm making fire, of course.
It doesn't work like that.
Then how?
Sammy, I guess we got distracted. Let's get back to the houses. Later on, people learned to not only use natural resources, but also to create shelters themselves.
Then we're kind of primitive people, too. I mean, we live in wooden houses as well.
No, Sammy. Our houses are made of more durable and modern materials, unlike this little house.
Interesting. But what came next?
The next significant stage for architecture was ancient Egypt.
Wow, I heard people live in pyramids there, right?
Not exactly, Sammy. Pyramids were historical monuments built in honor of pharaohs.
Oh, I know about the pharaoh Tutankhamun. He became pharaoh when he was very little. Does that mean I could become a pharaoh too?
Sure, you could be the first slime pharaoh. Those pyramids are still shrouded in mysteries, by the way, like who built them, but mostly how. Sammy, what are you doing?
I'm trying to build a pyramid out of Oreo cookies.
You messed it up again.
What do you mean, again?
Sammy, while we were talking, I finished the balcony. It's so awesome! By the way, does it really look Baroque to you?
Sue, it doesn't look like any of the styles we've studied so far.
Then let's continue. The next important period was ancient Greece. Sammy, do you know anything about it? Come on, share with us.
I know people grew olives there because it's very warm, and also the most important philosophers lived there.
Guys, did you know that Greece was famous for its buildings with massive columns? Those columns could hold even the heaviest and most complex constructions. So, Sammy, what will you keep in your house?
Maybe I'll put my pins in there, or maybe I'll put myself in there, or maybe we'll stay there all together.
Did you suddenly become a philosopher?
Maybe yes, or maybe no.
Then you're the first slime philosopher in the world.
Perhaps nothing in life lasts forever.
Guys, if you want to see the results, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned. Okay, guys, let's continue learning about the houses. Do you know who introduced arches and semicircular constructions into the architecture? Ancient Greeks. The most famous construction was the Colosseum.
Is that where they held the gladiator games?
Sammy, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes, Sue! 1 moment, I'll be right back.
So, let the games begin! In the blue corner,
Slimiest Sam! I'm ready to fight!
and in the red corner, Tasty Nutella! Let the combat begin!
Oh, Sue, I'm so full of Nutella. I think I'm gonna fall. Uh-oh.
Sammy, you were great! But we need to continue with our craft. We'll have 2 holders for pins, one on the left and one on the right.
Susie, little by little, our craft is starting to look like a house organizer. Holy cannoli, it's so cool. I like it here and even there. It's almost done.
Let's attach this piece right here. Hup!
Susie, I recently watched The Addams Family. Is there a house in the same style?
Not exactly, Sammy. Gothic style is a bit different. It's characterized by stained glass windows and cathedrals with pointed spires. Also, oh, what's going on, Sammy? Ah, what's happening?
I'm Count Dracula Sam. I don't know any Sammy. Ooh.
Sammy, stop it! You scared me so much!
Sorry, Sue. It's just Count Dracula is related to Gothic style too, right? Sorry if I scared you. Oh, and I hope I didn't ruin our craft.
It's okay, Sam. The craft is coming out very cool. Would you look at this balcony? And here we have an imitation of stonework. And a beautiful semicircular fence for your pins. Now we just need to make a drawer for the little stationery. So let's get to it right now. Okay, we need to attach these sidewalls to the bottom. Sammy's so quiet. Where is that little slime?
I'm here, Susie. By the way, I wanted to ask you what stage in architecture comes next?
Well, that gloomy Gothic style was followed by the Renaissance. The architecture of that time was characterized by geometric forms, symmetry, and austerity. It all started in European countries, in Italy to be more precise.
Susie, Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo lived at that time, didn't they?
Right, you are! These famous artists and inventors of that time made a really great contribution to the development of culture.
Sue, I want to be great too and make my contribution to the world.
Oh, Sammy, you can demonstrate your artistic abilities by decorating our house. So our house is almost ready. Just a little bit left to be done. Guys, give a thumbs up and hit the bell button so you don't miss a thing. Guys, it's time to paint our house. Sammy, which color do you think we should choose for the main wall?
I think light blue. It'll match all the other colors of the house really well.
As you say, Sammy, I really like your choice. By the way, now that you already know a lot about the history of ancient architecture, I think it's time to tell you what was next.
Of course, Sue! And more details, please. I want to become the greatest slime architect in the world.
The next important stage in the development of architecture was industrial construction. People started using metal and glass. I mean, like a lot of it.
Oh, Sue, wasn't it too gloomy and sad to live in that cold metal world?
No, metals were used for strengthening the structures and glass served as a type of decor. Actually, this kind of architecture is popular in construction to this day.
Oh, you already started painting! I want to too! 1 moment, I'll go fetch my brushes.
Great idea, Sammy. It's more fun to work together, plus we can finish quicker.
Sue, would you mind if I used violet?
Of course not, Sammy. It's your house and you can choose any colors you want.
And there! Sue, I guess I finished with that wall.
Sammy, we talked about architecture so much today, but there's a lot of it in the animated film industry. For example, I like the architecture in the animated film Coco. It's so beautiful there. Houses in that city of the dead have the same style, there are lots of lights and lanterns, and a lot of bright colors.
And I adore the animated film called Up. There's a house flying on balloons. Although, you know, I love our house more.
Phew! I love how it turned out, but we've still got a lot of work to do. We'll paint this one a lemon color. Our house is going to be as bright as the houses in cartoons. Where did Sammy go this time?
I'm here, Susie. I'm painting the backside of the house.
Guys, what about a drop of pink? Awesome! Let's paint the floor of our balcony using this beautiful color. Sammy, I think you can relax when it comes to eating Nutella on this balcony.
Oh, yeah! I can't wait to do that, Sue. Hurry up! Let's finish the house faster.
Be patient, Sammy. We're already more than halfway through.
Na, 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 na.
Sammy?
Yes, Susie?
I'm almost done.
What? How?
See, while you were daydreaming in your hammock, I finished painting.
Sue, but I really did lie down for just a minute. Wow, it's so beautiful. How did you manage to finish so quick?
I used good old craft magic, and now it's time for the decor.
Decor! Hooray! This time I definitely won't miss a thing.
Guys, what decor do you think Sam's prepared for the house?
Sue, I finished. Look, check out how cool it came out.
Wow, great job, Sammy! I really like these colorful flags. Looks awesome. We just need to fill it with stationery now. Colorful markers go here. Lego pins here. Bright erasers go here. And here are some colorful stickers. And in this drawer, we'll put a bright notebook, some glue, and other little stuff. Guys, check out this colorful house organizer we made. It's so beautiful.
Well, Sue, how's my lottery ticket doing?
Oh, Sammy, don't you think our house is so cool that you don't need that lottery one?
You know, you're right. It came out even better than I expected.
I'm glad to hear that. Guys, if you like it too, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye!
See you, boys and girls.